Hey family, in this video we are going to learn about how to apply Monzo credit card. First of all, open Monzo mobile banking app and the interface will be look like this. But I hide many details due to privacy issue. So we need to scroll down our screen. After scrolling down, I hide all details due to privacy issue. In the bottom you will find two options, customize and do more. So we need to click on plus do more. Now the interface will be look like this. Here many options are available just like create a port, start savings, start investment, and also you will find the option the Monzo Flex card. So this is the Monzo credit card, so we need to click on Monzo Flex card. Now the interface will be look like this, a credit card with Monzo magic. You can scroll down your screen and read other information about this card, and after that we need to click on see if you are eligible. Get your flex in under 5 minutes. The flex credit card is transparent with no hidden fee or confusing terms. You need to see your residential information, your house status, your monthly rental spend and your employment details, but I hide it due to privacy issue. Scroll down your screen and review all the details. If all details are correct, then we need to click on they are correct. If you want to change it, then you need to click on change details. Now please read all these things and now you need to scroll down your screen. So here you need to enter your annual income before tax. And does anyone rely on you financially like your partner or children or relatives? If yes, then you need to select it from here. Now we need to scroll down to check all details before submitting, and it won't impact your credit score. And after reading all the details, you need to click on submit to apply for your credit card.